Oke, halo teman-teman, balik lagi ke channel ini. Oke, kita akan melanjutkan bermain Hogwarts Legacy ke part keduanya, teman-teman. Kemarin kan kita sudah perkenalan lah Hogwarts Legacy ya, yang pertama kali bahwa kita itu sebagai murid baru dan kita terganggu oleh seekor naga dan terteleportasi ke daerah yang kita tidak ketahui, dan akhirnya kita bisa menemukan secercah cahaya yang dimana itu kunci kita nanti di game sepanjang cerita dari game ini gitu, teman-teman. Oke teman-teman, bagi yang belum nonton part satunya, kalian bisa klik di video di atas. Oke, kita akan langsung ke gamenya, teman-teman. Oke, kita persiapan dulu. Oke, kita rapiin dulu. Nah, ya. Oke, kita langsung gaskan saja, teman-teman. Oke, kita di Central Hall, teman-teman.
Revelio.
Di sini ada gulungan, teman-teman. Central Hall Foundation. Oke, kita harus melesaikan misinya, teman-teman. Kita harus ke lokasi yang sudah ditandain. Memasuki kelas sihir kita.
Levioso!
Professor Hecat!
Perhaps you'd be good enough to blast each other to pieces in your own time. I get new students every year, but I only have one Hebridean black skull. It was a token from the Great Poacher Raid of 1878. No doubt you've heard of it. Now, you may be asking yourself how an old woman like me single-handedly took out the largest poacher ring in eastern Wales and lived to boast
Kita akan
about
mempelajari
it.
spell baru kayaknya.
Knowledge. To the wise, age matters very little. Today we will review a spell that has saved me from death at the hands of dark wizards more times than I care to remember. Levioso.
Levioso?
Levioso.
A levitation charm?
Levioso! A surprised opponent is a weak opponent. Care to defend yourself, Master Pruitt? No? One thing I've learned as an unspeakable is the value of simplicity, especially in the heat of battle. Now, let's practice what we've just learned, starting with something small.
Oke, kita akan mempelajari Levioso, teman-teman. Kita dapat spell baru. Wah, lama. Oke, dapat Levioso.
Levioso.
Now, let's try something a little larger.
Kita langsung tes.
Let us begin with the basic cast. See how the dummy deflected your cast? This time, cast Levioso first, then the basic cast. Remember, a surprised opponent is a weak opponent. As Now, the basic cast. Well done. But the best way to practice is by dueling. We'll start with you two.
Oke,
Duelists,
kita akan
take your
duel,
marks.
teman-teman.
Time for a proper Hogwarts welcome.
Now, I want a fair duel, using only Levioso, basic cast, and Protego. You may begin.
Levioso.
Levioso. This should be easy. You're good. How perceptive. Thank you. What are you doing up there? Rather good at this, aren't you? Protego. Protego.
Oke,
Levioso.
nah,
Class, I hope you were paying attention. That is how you cast Levioso.
This can't be your first duel. Levioso.
All my students understand. I do this
meremehkan
job.
saya.
Not bad for a beginner. You give as good as you get.
I put you on the spot, and you rose to the challenge. Points to Slytherin.
Thank you, Professor Hecat. Glad to have the opportunity to practice.
If what I've seen today is any indication, we can expect great things from you. I demand excellence from my students. They are capable of achieving it, and they must achieve it. A classroom duel is one thing, but battling dark wizards, or as ever more likely, goblins, is a different kettle of Grindylows entirely.
Understood, Professor.
So, I'd advise you to keep practicing whenever you can. Perhaps Mr. Sallow will have some ideas for you. Again, well done today. I shall reach out soon with additional assignments.
Oke,
All
kita
right,
dapat
that's
skill
enough
baru
spectacle for one
Levioso.
day. Class is dismissed.
If you know the right spells, it's dark wizards that'll fear you, not the other way around.
Revelio.
Oke. Kita dapat selebaran lagi. Ternyata masih terkunci.
Always thought Levioso was for first years. Not anymore.
Sombong kali kau.
Oh, I'm not much for dueling. I prefer to keep things friendly.
You drilled Sebastian. He's strong competition. Well done.
Oke, kita
Nice
bertemu
work.
I enjoyed
Sebastian
that.
lagi.
Well, that duel was quite something. Everyone will be talking about it.
It was certainly good practice.
Practice. Felt more like I was dueling an expert. Didn't expect a new student to be so deft with a wand. Then again, perhaps this wasn't your first duel.
I've dueled enough. Consider yourself lucky I held back.
Huh, fair enough. You owe me an honest duel when you aren't.
Ini game itu kebanyakan dialog ya.
You
Ini
might
game.
be a perfect fit for a certain exclusive,
Agak
unsanctioned
ini
dueling
juga ya.
organization.
Exclusive and
Yang penting
unsanctioned.
pencet aja.
Count me in.
Excellent. Knew I was right about you. If you want to get the most out of your time at Hogwarts, you're going to need to break the rules now and then. Whether it's joining a secret dueling club or sneaking into the restricted section of the library, you just have to be clever enough not to get caught.
Thank you, Sebastian. I'll keep that in mind.
Good. Pleasure chatting with you. I'm sure I'll see you soon. Perhaps somewhere unsanctioned? We'll see if your performance today was sheer luck or actual skill. Look for Luke and Brattleby near the clock tower entrance. If you're interested. Till next time.
I'd hate to face Professor Hecat in a duel.
Ini apa ya, peta harta karun ya?
Revelio.
Apakah di bawah? Apakah di sini? Oh, kita harus ke atas, teman-teman.
What are you up to now?
Kita ke bawah ya. Kayak agak patah-patah ya teman-teman. Kita setting lagi dulu. Masih tutup ya ini. Oke, udah low semua. Sepertinya emang harus upgrade GPU teman-teman. Biar lancar. Apaan tuh? Wah. Oke, kita harus kemana ini? Oh, naik lagi ke sini.
Professor
Wah,
Ronan tends to go on a bit.
keren ya.
We sometimes have to remind.
Oh, quest lagi. Sepertinya kita mengikuti kelas lagi teman-teman. Quest apa ini?
Here, behind you. There is an open seat here.
Thank you.
Hello, I am Nettie. So you are the new student.
Nettie.
Have you met Professor Ronan yet?
Shall we begin?
Professor
Welcome to
Ronan.
Year 5 of Charms. Now, this will be a crucial year in your education on the art of charm work. But I am confident that we will take hold with the passion and rigor requisite of such a challenge. Right, now, everyone, please open your textbooks to page 517. But before we begin, can anyone here tell me the difference between the incantations of the color change and growth charms? Anyone? Anyone? I am afraid it is too late to study now. My, the summer months must have really taken a toll on you all. By the looks of it, you all spent your holidays practicing Obliviate on one another. Do you even remember how to perform a basic summoning charm? Well, it seems that we are in dire need of review. Everyone get into pairs and take positions on opposite sides of the classroom. Now let's put those textbooks to use as the blunt objects you so believe they are, and take turns summoning them out of one another's hands. Only one book will be needed per partnership, Miss Dale. Thank you. Get into place now.
Oke, kita akan mengetes skill baru, teman-teman. Asiu. Oke, kita dapat skill baru.
Accio!
That is
Skill
not
untuk
bad.
mendapatkan
You
sesuatu.
are a swift learner. I see a lot of potential, but remember, potential is nothing without practice. Keep at it. You might just rival Miss Onai here. Very good, everyone. That's enough of that. Well, as you all seem to have the basics down, and it is an exceptionally lovely day, I was thinking that we might have ourselves a little excursion outside for a spot of fresh air. After me.
Oke, kita mau kemana nih? Oke, kita akan berlatih di luar ruangan, teman-teman.
I've always found that fun goes hand in hand with mastery, as I'm sure the Quidditch players amongst us would agree. So, what better than a bit of sport to put our prowess with the summoning charm to the test, right?
Kalau dunia dengan sihir itu keren cuy.
So why don't we have our new student start us off?
Oke, kita akan menggunakan Asio untuk menarik bola ini mungkin. Mana nih?
Very simply, cast Accio on one of the spheres and relinquish your charm at the last possible
Oh,
moment.
jadi kita harus
Now, think of this like
menariknya dan
gobstones,
harus
if you
jangan
will.
sampai
But
kelewat
instead
sini,
of
cuy.
throwing the marbles out, you are summoning them toward you. Accio is to pull the sphere as splendid.
Oke. Mantap. Perfect cuy. 50. Oke.
Excellent control there.
Oke. Oke.
Very good.
Mantap.
Very good. Points to Slytherin. But there's certainly no sport in playing without some friendly competition. Miss Onai, would you care to give our new student a bit of a challenge? Come on up. You'll be the blues
Oke, kita
just
akan
as before,
bertanding
and Miss
bersama
Onai, you are
Natsai.
playing red. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Siapa dulu nih? Oh, Miss Yonai dulu.
Watch this.
Berapa nih nilainya nih? Wah, 50 kayaknya. Wah, keren. Oke, kita harus mendapatkan 50 juga.
Accio.
Akio. Wah. Oke, kita dapat 50.
Splendid!
Bisa.
Berapa nih Misone ini? Wah, jago juga ya. Oke, kita belah sinian, takutnya
That is how it's done.
malah bertabrakan. Oke, apakah kita dapat 50?
Well done.
Aduh,
Here we go.
kita kalah kayaknya teman-teman. Berapa nih? Waduh, kita benar-benar kalah teman-teman. Kalah telak sama Misone.
Accio.
Oke, kebablasan nggak? Oke, kita dapat 50 juga. Tetap kalah teman-teman kita. Kurang 20.
Let us make this a bit more interesting, shall we?
Wah, kita bertanding lagi.
I think we are
Dengan
well
ada
past
rintangannya,
interesting
teman-teman.
at this point.
I'll say.
Oke,
Enough chatter.
kita harus menang.
Focus now. You will need it. This round settles it all.
Watch this.
Oke, kena. Wah, ternyata dia berhasil teman-teman. Oke, kita harus berhasil. Kita harus bisa. Timingnya harus pas. Oke, mantap. Kita berhasil dapat nilai 50.
Excellent.
Bisa.
Dia pasti dapat nilai 20. 30 teman-teman. Oke, kita pasti bisa.
There we go.
Oke, kita harus ngepasin timingnya. Tarik. Aduh, kelepasan. Aduh, kelepasan. Dapat 20 kita teman-teman. Kelepasan kita. Apakah kita pasti bisa menang? 90, kita harus dapatkan 50. Oke, masih ada harapan kita menang. Oke, kita harus pas. Oke.
Not exactly your
Tarik.
Not that I mind.
Oke, kita berhasil. Oke, mantap. Kita kalah.
Stay
Gila. Malah kalah lagi, teman-teman. Kacau.
Very good, both of you. Well done.
Well done. Oke, kita dapat skill baru, teman-teman.
class is dismissed. Gather your things on the way out.
Well done back there. You took the loss in stride. Didn't want to go too easy on you. Took me weeks to become proficient with Accio. Took weeks for me to get anything right when I transferred here. It gets easier, I promise.
That's good to hear. It's a lot to take in all at once.
To put it lightly, I remember how I felt when I first arrived. I transferred here from Wagadu just before my 4th year. My mother received an offer to teach divination here. Before I knew it, we had left Uganda and were halfway around the world at a new school in a new country.
Okay.
Well, it's been nice talking and competing with you.
And with you. I think Professor Ronan wants to talk to you. Better not keep him waiting. Until next time.
Okay, next
Of course,
time not
you
saya
can use Accio on humans.
harus
A word,
bertanya ke
if you
Pak
would.
Profesor.
You wanted to speak with me, Professor?
I did. I trust your first charms lesson lived up to expectation?
Well, an outdoor competition wasn't exactly the lesson I was expecting, sir.
What charm is there in the expected? Miss Onai is a talented witch. Take it in stride. One often gains the most from the battles one has lost.
Of course, Professor. It was a challenging match.
Miss Onai is always a fierce competitor, though I sense that she is a bit distracted of late. Now, Professor Weasley has asked that your professors give you instruction outside of the ordinary curriculum. Expect to hear from me soon regarding a special assignment that I am preparing for you.
Oke. Kita berhasil mendapatkan charm class. Mendapatkan Accio.
Accio! Revelio!
Sesuatu di sini. Ternyata ada sesuatu tapi sepertinya harus lewat ruangan yang lain, teman-teman.
After my brother learned the summoning charm, it was constant Accio this, Accio that, cutlery flying everywhere.
Ternyata masih dikunci.
Hello there. You're the new student, aren't you?
Hello, you wanted to speak to me?
Samantha Dale. I've been eager to meet you. You're the student everyone's been whispering about. Hope your first day's going well. You certainly seem to hold your own in charms.
I've been fortunate. Beginner's luck.
My brother William would tell you not to be so humble and to trust your abilities. Then again, he tends to be overconfident in his. Well, better see to my charms homework. I'm afraid I can't count on beginner's luck to impress Professor Ronan.
All right.
Revelio.
I've always said that travel broadens the mind.
Werewolves, where were you? In the Goblin Rebellion of 1752?
And by the
Sini, teman-teman.
The Minister for Magic was Albert Boot.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, what fun! I won't say my goodbyes. I shall cheer for the boy who says you're telling
I'm not
lies.
telling
Apa tuh
lies,
ya?
Peeves. It was Albert Boot.
No, it wasn't.
Sepertinya ini
It was
teka-teki,
Basil Flat.
teman-teman.
Oh, fight! It's a bold attack. Was the Minister a boot or the Minister a flack?
Gue nggak ngerti, teman-teman.
Stop it, Peeves. You'll get us in
Apa-apa lah.
trouble.
In trouble you will be, but you can't give Peeves a smack. She
Iya,
says it's a
tahu.
boot and he says it's a flack.
Oke, kita kemana ini? Apa nih?
Revelio.
Astronomy Tower. Oke, kita ada di Astro. Dapat apa nih? Oh, ini nih. Anjir. Apa nih? Ork kah? Orok. Tabasa of Barnabas the Barumi. Sangat mengerikan ya. Ork disuruh dansa, teman-teman.
Revelio.
Apakah ada hal yang lain? Nah, kita ke bawah aja, kita lanjutkan misi-misinya langsung. Oke, ini astronomi cuy. Ngeri ya. Apa nih? Kucing nih.
You know it does help to look at the thing while you're stirring.
Kita bisa ngelus-ngelus kucing, teman-teman.
Revelio.
Ternyata tidak ada apa-apa. Agak patah-patah ya, teman-teman. Video game. Ini tuh kalau pakai webcam, teman-teman. Kalau nge-record itu FPS-nya drop banget, teman-teman. Karena GPU-nya itu kurang banget. Ini nih. Biasanya kalau bunyi ting 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 gitu ada
Revelio.
Ada harta karun, teman-teman. Malesin lah. Nanti aja kita berburu harta karunnya, teman-teman. Kita harus misi dulu. Kita ke sini, teman-teman. Jadi ada side quest, teman-teman. Collection says ini Hogwarts. Oke, kita harus ke sini untuk melanjutkan misi. Jadi kita ini diarahin ke side quest, teman-teman. Apakah kita akan melakukannya atau mendingan langsung ke quest utamanya aja ya? Oke, kita ke quest utamanya aja lah. Biasanya kalau side quest gitu harus nyantai sih mainnya. Kalau kita kan namatin ceritanya, teman-teman. Biar kita bisa lihat ending dari game Hogwarts ini. Kalau kelamaan kan kalian pasti bosen nih.
Revelio.
Nanti kalau santai-santai kita bisa menamatkan side questnya. Oke, kita keluar ruangan. Wah, keren ya. Oh, ada ternyata. Biasanya di tempat-tempat yang ada patungnya pasti ada yang kayak gini, teman-teman.
Revelio.
Oke, kita ke sini.
What about the room, Professor?
I was thinking the same thing, Deke. Perhaps you could help.
Oh, excuse, Deke.
Ah, there you are.
Oke, kita bertemu lagi dengan Profesor Weasley.
I trust your first classes went well?
They did, Professor.
I heard as much from Professors Hecat and Ronan. Seems Professor Fig taught you quite a bit during your brief detour near... what was it you said? Some ruins? I'd wager there's a good deal more to your travels here than what you've told me. Isn't there?
Have you and Professor Fig not discussed my training?
He continues to be reticent about the details, mentioning only a few spells. Revelio, was it? And Lumos?
That's correct, Professor.
I see. Like trying to get a sonnet from a streeler. Regardless, you must continue to build upon what you've learned. In that regard, I've asked your professors to help hasten your progress with some extra assignments.
Professor Ronan did mention something about that.
In fact, Professor Ronan will meet you outside momentarily to assign your first one. Now, regarding the trip to Hogsmeade I mentioned earlier, we've arranged to replace the supplies lost on your way here, including seeds, potion recipes, and spellcrafts.
Thank you, Professor.
And Mr. Ollivander will connect you with the perfect wand. You've managed your classes well with a borrowed wand, but you'll find the magic you cast with your own wand to be far superior.
I'm eager to get to Hogsmeade.
Very well. I'd like you to make your first visit to the village with a classmate. Help you get your bearings. Perhaps Sebastian Sallow or Natsai Onai. I've noticed you spending time with them.
I'd like to go with Sebastian.
Glad to hear it. Mr. Sallow is a capable young wizard, and he knows the area. He'll keep you well clear of any of Victor Rookwood's undesirables en route.
Rookwood?
A rather unsavory local. Best to avoid him and his associates, including his right hand of sorts, Theophilus Harlow, if you can. Once you've finished Professor Ronan's assignment, your friend will meet you at the castle doors. No time to waste. The sooner you complete your work, the sooner you can enjoy a butterbeer at the Three Broomsticks.
Okay.
Revelio.
Report to Professor Ronan. Kita geledah dulu di sini, apakah ada apa? Oh, ternyata ada sesuatu. Ternyata duit. Oke, di sini. Ketemu Meong lagi. Oke, kita
there you are.
Lagi.
You have a new spell to teach me, Professor.
Indeed I do, and an exceedingly useful one at that. The mending charm, Reparo. Fixes things right up, makes a broken object good as new in the blink of an eye.
It seems as if that might come in handy.
More frequently than one would imagine. As Professor Weasley mentioned, I am not the only one who will be teaching you spells outside of class in an effort to catch you up with your peers. A number of your professors have agreed to do so as well, but first, each shall ask that you complete a few preliminary tasks to hone your magic. I have arranged some for today. See them through and then report back to me. We will have you casting Reparo in no time.
I'll start on the task right away, Professor.
Ya, apakah kita harus nyari sesuatu? Kita tanya lagi.
Professor, why must I complete these tasks?
They are meant to give you first-hand experience as you proceed to master new bits of magic. Good luck, and I shall see you soon.
Kita harus mencari sesuatu, teman-teman. Oke, kita ke sini.
This is the right area.
Wah, kita harus
I wonder where the
barang
flying
itu.
pages.
Flying pages dari
Levioso.
kertas yang terbang, teman-teman. Kita
Lumos. Levioso.
4. Aci.
Got it.
Kita harus mencari lagi, teman-teman. Kertas itu ada di mana?
A flying page must be around here
Ini kita
somewhere.
dapat lagi.
Brilliant.
Oke. Kita
Revelio.
kembali lagi ke Professor
I trust the
Ronan.
preliminary task.
I completed the assignments, Professor.
Marvelous. You clearly know your way around basic charms. Let us give the old mending charm a try then, shall we? Remember to be deliberate in your enunciation and movements. I want to see some vigor. Now, wand at the ready.
Yes, sir.
Remember, your wand is a conduit
Oke, kita
of your
dapat skill
magic.
baru, Repairo. Aduh. Oke. Come on, bro. Oke. Kita dapat skill Repairo. Tadi kan ada barang yang
That's
rusak
it.
ya.
Very good.
Kita coba
If you would
nih.
like to practice mending something,
Prepare.
go with that broken statue in the alcove by the water. It allegedly
Berhasil,
symbolized
teman-teman.
heartbreak. Perhaps a jilted lover thought it too accurate and lashed out.
Oke, kita harus ke misi. Kita lanjut misi selanjutnya. Ancient Magic di sini aja. Oke. Oke, kita tinggal satu lagi. Kita akan dapat apa? Oke. Pas banget, teman-teman. Sound complete.
Life seems rather dull enough. Ugh, what am I missing?
Nah, ini tuh yang hitam-hitam ini. Ini teman-teman, coba set quest tambahan. Apa nih? Oh, ternyata ada ruangan rahasia, teman-teman. Blue Nick Cap. Oke, digir berarti. Oke, kita punya sapu tangan ternyata. Pakai aja. Kita, oh ini nih. Udah kayak apa aja nih. Nah ini mantas. Oke. Biar nggak kedinginan. Apa nih? Dari apa ya? Collection. Oke, kita langsung ke misinya aja. Oh, kita tidak bisa menghajar para penjaga, teman-teman.
Revelio.
Oh, ada. Ada apa nih? Ternyata tidak ada apa-apa. Oke, kita bertemu
Well,
Sebastian.
fancy meeting you here.
Hello, Sebastian.
Ah, my new charge. I'm told you're in dire need of supplies, and I'm to accompany you into Hogsmeade for them. Is this your first foray into the village?
It is. I haven't left the castle since I arrived.
Well, I shall endeavour to be the very best of guides, then. Hogsmeade's a charming little place, self-contained too. We should be able to find you everything that you need. Shall we?
Oke, kita akan melakukan misi bersama si Sebastian, teman-teman. Wah, keren ya. Wah, kita akan keluar dari akademi. Oke, follow
I was glad
Sebastian.
Professor Weasley asked me to join you today.
Ikuti
As
si
am I.
Sebastian, teman-teman.
Thank you, by the way.
Sharp was in
Of course. You're the only one who's ever bested me in a duel.
Revelio.
The way I see it, I'd be wise to keep an eye on you. Speaking of Weasley, she seems to have taken quite a shine to you.
Has she? That's nice to hear.
Apa nih?
I'm still surprised that a professor would entrust me with anything,
Ternyata
given my
ada.
detention record.
Waduh, masih dikunci.
Spend a lot of time in detention, do you?
Wah,
Just enough to keep me well-rounded.
apaan tuh? Oh, kuda teman-teman. Kuda terbang. Oke, kita harus mengikuti si Sebastian tuh. Wah, keren ya. Gila ini. Keren banget, coy.
Revelio.
Oke, kita akan
Speaking of
menjelajahi
detention, this trip to
dunia
Hogsmeade might
luar,
have saved me
teman-teman.
from one.
Glad I could be of service.
Madam Scribner, the librarian, was on the hunt for me, as is often the case. Professor Weasley came to retrieve me, and I was able to convince old Scribner that I had somewhere to be.
So
Keren
how
ya,
did you
Cek.
manage to get on the librarian's bad side?
Wah, keren kita keluar,
Well,
teman-teman.
I suspect it's a matter of differing opinions. She thinks I shouldn't be allowed in the restricted section, and I, on the other hand, am inclined to disagree. Oh, just one moment.
Apa ini?
This is an excellent spot to gather lacewing flies. They're pretty to look at.
Wah, kita
If you
harus
stew
mengambil
them
ini.
long enough, they make a powerful potion ingredient.
Apaan nih, coy? Tidak bisa dihajar. Oke. Lacewing fleece. Oh, ternyata di sini ada lagi, teman-teman.
Merlin's beard from the Forbidden Forest. Look,
What's going on?
see for yourself. Quite a sight, isn't it?
Wah, apa itu? Griffon
You
kah?
certainly don't see that every day.
Tak tembak kau.
Do you think Poppy's already seen the
Oke,
hippogriff?
masih banyak lagi nih. Katanya ini bisa ditembak. Waduh. Yang tadi bisa ditembak, coy. Kayak batu kristal.
To the left is the Forbidden Forest.
Oke, kita nyatain.
Out of bounds to all
ternyata bisa
students.
Oh,
sendiri.
hence the name.
Precisely. They think it's too dangerous. I think they need to have more confidence in our defensive abilities. Ah, you can see Hogsmeade just past those ruins up ahead.
Wah, keren ya.
Have you had much of a chance to explore the castle?
A little.
Apa nih?
It's positively
Oh, ternyata
enormous.
kita bisa ngambil jamur,
It is
teman-teman.
that. I've been there 5 years and barely scratched the surface. Loads to see, places to discover.
Oh?
Alright.
Any you'd like to share with the class?
Perhaps one day. I can't go around telling you all my secrets now, can I? You still haven't told me how
Oh,
you
ini
became so
kuda,
good at
teman-teman.
dueling.
Kerempeng banget ya. Naga kah? Persilangan kuda sama naga. Kita ngambil jamur lagi. Apakah jamur ini bisa dimakan ya? Biar jadi heal.
I've always thought Thestrals pulling a carriage a
Oke,
bit
kita
grim,
ambil lagi, ternyata
though I
masih banyak,
suppose most
teman-teman.
people don't actually see them at all.
But you can see them.
Wah, tuh ada batu lagi.
Unfortunately, you've seen quite a bit yourself firsthand too.
Dapat apa nih?
Most notably
Dapat
that dragon
monstun.
attack. Hopefully the rest of your year isn't as eventful.
Oke, apa nih? Jejak beruang kah? Apa nih, coy?
Levioso. Reparo. Lumos.
Hehe.
Reparo.
Gimana nih?
Accio.
Woi. Ternyata ada jamur lagi, coy.
Mr. Moon. He's the Hogwarts caretaker. Looks a bit worse for wear. Hello, Mr. Moon. Have you met our new fifth year?
Pleasure. You might want to turn back, Mr. Sallow. Turn and run.
Is everything all right, sir?
Oh, look right at me. Eyes big as saucers.
What did, Mr. Moon?
Mr. Moon.
Demi guys. Ugly and airy and terrifying. I shall be at the castle where it's safe. Good luck to both of you.
Oke, kita lanjut lagi.
A demi-guise? I don't know what he's putting in his pumpkin juice, but he's obviously had too much of it. I've never seen Mr. Moon in such a state. Mr. Moon is quite the character. My sister Anne thinks he's lovely, but I'd say he could improve a bit as a caretaker.
Oh, is your sister in Slytherin too?
Oke, sepertinya kita
She is, or rather,
akan
she
masuk ke
was.
rumah penduduk, teman-teman.
Revelio.
But she'll
Oh,
be better
di
soon
sini.
and back at home.
Hogsmeade. Oke, kita masuk ke rumah-rumah warga nih, teman-teman. Oke, kita berada di dunia fantasi, teman-teman.
Honestly, if one could bottle the magic of this place, I don't know if it's the shops or the people, but there's just something about
Ya,
Hogsmeade.
di sini ternyata ada lagi.
We all
Revelio.
want to look like moths to a flame.
Wah, keren ya.
So how would you like to do this? Weasley told me you had a list of things to get, a wand and some other bits.
Yes. Dittany seeds, some spellcrafts, and some potion recipes.
Perfect. Can't wait to see what you do with the new wand. And a short list gives you plenty of time to poke around the village. I just have to pop into a shop to find something for my sister. Let's meet up in the town circle when you're finished. Remember, have fun. It's Hogsmeade.
Oke. The Hogsmeade map. Oh, kita harus tempat-tempat ini dulu, teman-teman, yang ditandai yang tadi gerak-gerak di mapnya.
Revelio.
Oke, apakah kita harus beli apa nih?
Merlin, blue beard, not again.
I'll be right with... Ah, it's you. Just a moment, please.
Hello, sir. I'm looking for...
For a new wand, yes. It's about time.
Yes, about time.
Well, you're our new fifth-year student, are you not? Oh, what am I saying? Of course you are. Gerbold Ollivander's the name. But of course, you'll have heard of the Ollivanders, I'm sure. Finest wand makers in the world. It's a pleasure to meet you, truly. Now, come with me. Let's find you the perfect wand, shall we? No, not you. Yes. Powerful core. 10.5 inches. You might do. Here, give this one a try.
Sepertinya kita mau membeli
Well,
tongkat
go
sihir,
ahead,
teman-teman.
swish. How odd. Once more, come on, really swish it. Oh dear.
Sepertinya nggak cocok, teman-teman.
Well, this isn't a good match
Tongkat
at all,
kita.
is it? We'll find you something, not to worry. No, not you. Perhaps. Yes. A rare wood, 13 3/4 inches, dragon heartstring. Let's give this one a try. Oh, goodness. Looks like it's back to the shelf for you.
Tidak cocok lagi. Sepertinya
This is
kita ini
proving to be
spesial,
trickier than I
teman-teman.
had
Harus menggunakan
anticipated.
tongkat yang
Perplexing.
sangat rare mungkin.
Where are you? Perhaps you? There you are. Yes, I think you might be the one. Here, take it.
Oke. Solve spiral like brown. Wah, sepertinya kita bisa mengcustomnya, teman-teman.
Curious indeed.
Sepertinya ini lebih bagus nih. Warna yang gelap. Apanya ini?
How intriguing.
Apanya ya? Holy.
Curious indeed.
Apanya ini ya? Serahlah. Yang penting beli ini. Oke, ini dari apa nih bahannya? Phonic feeder. Unicron.
A dragon heartstring wand is most powerful and learns quickly.
Oke, kita purchase.
What do you think? Extraordinary. Another wand, another beginning of a bright and magical future. Now, how did that feel?
Good. Different. I sensed a sort of surge of some kind.
A match. Your connection seemed particularly powerful. The right wand will learn from you, just as you learn from it.
I'm eager to try it out.
I would imagine so. A wand with a dragon heartstring core is capable of dazzling magic. And the bond between you and your wand should only grow stronger. Do not be surprised at your new wand's ability to perceive your intentions, particularly in a moment of need.
That sounds wonderful, Mr. Ollivander.
I'll let you get to it. Do come and see me again if ever I can be of further assistance.
Oke.
Revelio.
Thank you, Bobe. Mana nih? Gak ada barang apapun. Oke, kita keluar aja. Kita lanjut ke toko selanjutnya. Kita kemana nih? Tadi nggak jelas nih. Oke, visit Tom's Unscroll. Tom Unscroll di mana nih? Oh, ini nih. Tom Unscroll. Harus balik lagi, teman-teman.
Revelio.
Oh, ternyata ini ada
Accio.
Mantap, kena. Ternyata ada kucing oren, teman-teman. Kita lanjut aja.
An inquiring
Revelio.
Biasanya ada sesuatu di sini. Ternyata tak ada, teman-teman. Oh, ini ada nih. Apa nih? Ada ruangan rahasia, teman-teman. Kita ke sini aja, tanya-tanya
Pardon
dulu.
me, sir. I'm here for the spellcrafts Professor Weasley ordered.
Matilda's student. I thought I might be seeing you soon. I am the proprietor here, Thomas Brown. I take it you've had a conjuring lesson then?
I'm afraid I haven't yet, sir.
Ah, but you will soon enough. It is magic at its purest, creating something out of nothing. Of course, it is not without complexity, but that is where my spellcrafts come in. Stay the course, and you could soon impress even Professor Weasley.
That's certainly something to aspire to, Mr. Brown. I look forward to that day.
And I, too, see in it. Spellcrafts are incredibly useful for conjuring unique items like custom pieces of furniture or decoration. But I shall let Professor Weasley do the teaching. For now, let's get the spellcrafts you need. A potting table and a potion station, yes?
I believe so, sir.
Good. Nothing like being able to grow your own ingredients and brew what you want when you want. Let's have a look.
Oke. Apa nih?
If you're interested, feel free to take a look around at the rest of my
Mahal banget ya. Oh, kita bisa menjual barang kita, teman-teman. Sepertinya jual aja. Nggak perlu kayaknya. Kita tanya lagi. Apa lagi nih, coy? Udah kan? Oke, beres sepertinya. Kita berhasil membeli sesuatu dari Pak John tadi. Pak John.
Revelio.
Oke, kita dapat gulungan lagi, teman-teman. Kita harus cari sesuatu di sini. Apakah ada sesuatu? Oke, kan dapat sapu tangan. Dan tadi sekelebat lihat tuh kan. Ada sesuatu. Oke. Oke, kita ke toko potion sekarang. Toko potion yang tadi itu mana ini kayaknya? Jepipin. Jepipin. Potion. Oke, kita akan ke Jepipin.
Revelio.
Biasanya ada sesuatu nih di sini. Nih ada sesuatu. Kan benar ada. Kita dapat gulungan lagi. Kita ini harus jeli ya, teman-teman. Setiap ruangan kita harus cek. Lumayan biasanya kita dapat item, teman-teman.
Revelio.
Ada lagi tuh. Itu kan ada buku yang terbang-terbang, teman-teman. Kita harus mengambilnya.
Accio.
Oke, dapat.
Revelio.
Kita ke Jepipin aja langsung. Apa nih?
Welcome to J. Pippin's Potions.
Oke, kita dapat pakaian.
Revelio.
Kita tanya-tanya dulu
Pardon
aja.
me, sir.
Oh, thank goodness. When I heard the bell, I thought you were Miss Lawang. Not that she deigns to come here.
Miss
Though
Lawang.
I don't believe I've seen your face here before, either.
It's my first time in Hogsmeade, actually.
Is it really? Well, Parry Pippin at your service. And this is J. Pippin's Potions. Potions for
Pippin.
all ailments. You'll have read it on the sign, of course, but Grandfather always made me say it in full. How may I help you today?
Professor Weasley sent me to collect some recipes. I'm new at Hogwarts.
You're the student she sent the owl about. I set your things aside immediately. I suspected if you're anything like I was at your age, you'd want your potion supplies. Is it not the most fascinating art, potion making? Rivals anything you can do with a wand, I've always said.
Are potions really that versatile?
They may not be as showy as spellwork, but make no mistake, they are just as powerful. They can heal, destroy, protect. You'll discover all of this soon enough. As it's your first time in, I should mention that it's not just potion recipes I sell. I also offer ready-made drafts for all manner of uses, and I unveil new ones from time to time. Pop in when you can so you don't miss out on anything. But for now, let's get you those recipes, shall we? Feel free to take a look at the rest of my inventory, or come back another time if you're in a rush today.
Oh, yang tadi itu bisa dijual, teman-teman. Kayak Les Wing, kayak jamur yang tadi. Oke, ini kayak sell item ini bisa dijual kan? Lumayan bisa dijual. Oke, sepertinya cuma gitu aja. Tadi ada kertas di sini. Lumayan. Apakah ada barang lagi? Nggak ada kayaknya. Kita lanjut saja. Tadi kita melihat kertas yang terbang-terbang, teman-teman. Nih kan betul ada. Oke, dapat. Oke, kita ke tempat selanjutnya. Tadi apa? Visit the Magic Nip. Oh, ini nih. Oke, ternyata deket tempatnya, teman-teman.
Revelio.
Biasanya suka ada sesuatu di sini nih. Ternyata di bawah ada sesuatu. Ternyata tidak bisa dibuka, teman-teman. Apakah kita harus tak mempan?
Lumos.
Apakah kita harus
Levioso. Reparo. Accio.
Ternyata tidak mempan.
Revelio.
Oke, ada sesuatu di sini. Dapat duit. Oh, ternyata dapat ini. Oke, kita dapat item.
Revelio.
I simply pretended.
Ternyata di sini ada item lagi. Wah, keren ya. Kita langsung ke lokasi saja.
Revelio.
Di sini suka ada item.
Well, hello there.
Oke, di sini ternyata ada item.
Pardon me, sir. I'm here for the seeds Professor Weasley arranged for me to collect.
Oh, the dittany for the new 5th year. I take it that's you then. Merlin's beard. Starting Hogwarts as a 5th year. You must be positively reeling from it all.
Not at all. I'm choosing to see it all as one big adventure.
Well, bravo. Not everyone has the temperament to take things as they come. Name's Timothy Teasdale, by the way, and this is my shop, the Magic Neep. I keep the cart out here because I like a good chat. Can't very well be in the thick of things if I'm hidden away inside now, can I?
I suppose not.
In addition to seeds, I have plenty of plants. Grow everything myself. My speciality is potion ingredients. Even Pippin purchases from me. But what say we get you a packet of Dittany seeds?
Oke, kita harus mengambil pesanan.
Do have a look around. Plenty of ingredients to pique your interest, I'd wager.
Ternyata kita bisa
Oh,
menjual
that's everything. Better go and find
barang apa aja
Sebastian.
ya di sini ya. Kirain cuma buah-buahan yang apa gitu ya dijual. Pakaian juga bisa dijual di sini, teman-teman. Oke, sepertinya kita sudah beres. Kita harus ketemu si Sebastian lagi. Hup, ada. Pelan-pelan. Nggak bisa ya? Oke.
Revelio.
Oke, kita langsung aja ke si Sebastian. Lewat sini. Oke, mungkin kita beres di sini aja ya teman-teman. Karena waktunya sudah 1 jam lebih kayaknya. Nanti kita lanjut ke part 3 teman-teman. Oke, kita
I officially
ke si
have all of
Sebastian
my
dulu.
supplies.
Excellent.
Did you get what you needed for your sister?
I did. So I suppose the world is our oyster now. Let's see what else we can get up to.
Oke, ternyata ada sesuatu teman-teman. Ada apa ini? Oh, ternyata kita kedatangan anomali teman-teman. Sepertinya kita mengejar kita teman-teman. Anomali ini.
Away from the building! Away from the village!
Ternyata ada satu lagi teman-teman. Apa nih? Star L. Oh, ternyata kita bisa loncat teman-teman. Aduh.
Are we weakening him at all? Keep at
Sepertinya
it.
kita harus membereskan ini dulu teman-teman. Alamak. Hantam.
A taste of his own medicine. Nicely done.
Gue susah banget ya coy. Anjir, jadi kan kegemukan. Nah gitu dong. Hantam. Anjir. Cok. Jauh dulu teman-teman.
That's right.
Hantam kau.
He's faltering. Few more hits should do the job.
Hantam. Jackpot kau. Oke teman-teman, sepertinya kita berhasil mengalahkan. Oke, mantap.
Goodness, a second troll. Did you two take on a
Tadi
fully
kita
grown
melawan
troll
troll teman-teman.
by yourselves?
I suppose so. It's all a bit of a blur, to be honest.
Merlin's beard. Are you all right?
We are, and we were glad to help.
I'd say help is a bit of an understatement. Nerve like that. The makings of an aura, if you ask me. If you are unharmed, perhaps the two of you wouldn't mind helping me put a few things back to where they were.
Of course, officer.
Singer. Officer Singer. And thank you, again.
Oke, kita berhasil melawan troll teman-teman. Oke, mungkin segitu aja teman-teman dari permainan dari Hogwarts Legacy ini
I'll go and
teman-teman.
see what he wants.
Nanti kita lanjut ke part selanjutnya teman-teman. Oke, bye-bye.